I can close my eyes and see where there are no earthly struggles, and the soul there is set free, where the deaf and dumb are shouting, 'cause the blind can finally see, and all those crippled legs are dancing across that crystal sea. And don't that sound like heaven? And don't that sound like home, where the Son of God is reigning, and their tears are finally gone? And don't that sound like heaven? And don't that sound like home? Darkness there is overtaken by the light that's always on. Now there's a special place in heaven where those unborn babies play, and they're rocked in the arms of Jesus, while the angels sing His praise, and all those unwanted children, they say, "My daddy, he's the king," and there's smiles on all their faces as they spin around and sing. And don't that sound like heaven? And don't that sound like home, where the Son of God is reigning, and their tears are finally gone? And don't that sound like heaven? And don't that sound like home? Darkness there is overtaken by the light that's always on. Price of heaven, it's expensive, but don't you worry about the cost, 'cause it was paid in full by Jesus as He hung on that old cross, and all those things that He promised will be there just like He said, as an eternal reminder of the precious blood gone. Don't that sound like heaven? And don't that sound like home? Darkness there is overtaken by the light that's always